Hey everyone, in this video, we're going to be talking about some of the most common product research mistakes that you could be making with your very first product. Selling products on Amazon is a great way to generate passive income, especially without doing too much work after launch. But in order to do that, you need to have a product that will actually sell. Choosing the right product to sell on Amazon is the most important step of the process, and making any one of these 4 mistakes can doom your business before you even start. And I personally made mistake number 4 when I was just starting out, and it nearly cost me thousands of dollars. So stick around and stay tuned to listen to that mistake so you don't have to make the same one. So let's get into the first mistake. Mistake number 1 is choosing trendy products. Now in theory, choosing a product that's really hyped should mean that you'll get more sales, but that's not the full picture. Evaluating products that are currently trending is difficult for a couple of reasons: heavy competition and unclear demand. Super popular products often become really popular on Amazon overnight because sellers are looking for really quick profits. And with more sellers competing for the same pool of buyers, the prices will generally drop as sellers try to give customers an incentive to shop with them. When you find a product that's trending right now, don't forget that it takes several months to actually manufacture and launch that product. By the time you actually get your product manufactured, it may already be too late and the ship may have already sailed on that trend. So when identifying new product opportunities, I like to approach it from a very unbiased and unemotional perspective. In order to see if your product is a trend that might go away, I like to ask myself these questions. Does this product solve a problem? Are there substitutes to this product? How long can this product actually be popular? With these questions in mind, you'll be able to step back and evaluate each product opportunity and not get burned by any short-lived trends. Mistake number 2 is choosing a product that's too big or too heavy. When selling on Amazon, there's a bunch of fees you need to consider, like pick and pack fee, Amazon's referral fee, and storage fees, among others. To properly vet a product idea, you're gonna wanna get a better idea of what the total cost picture is gonna look like to calculate your profits at the end of the day. Bigger and heavier products oftentimes come along with higher fees that can eat into your profits or lose you money. For example, let's just say we have 2 products, product A, a storage bin, and product B, a money clip. Both products sell for roughly around $25, but here's where it gets interesting. Because of how big product A is, we're gonna be paying way more in seller fees for every single unit that we sell. Product B, on the other hand, because it's so small and light, comes along with a lot lighter fees. When you do the math, that means that you're paying over 3 times in fees for every unit you sell with product A versus product B. My preferred method to quickly see a product's estimated selling fees is to use the Helium 10 Chrome extension. With this extension installed, when you go to an Amazon product listing, you'll be able to see an estimate of the total selling fees based on that product's dimensions and weight. Now, the extension is totally free, but if you're interested in looking at some of the other tools that Helium 10 has to offer for product research, listing building, and keyword research, I'll leave a link down in the description below for 50% off your first month. So always remember to factor in the weight and the size of each product that you're planning on selling to get a better idea of how much profit you're actually going to be generating at the end of the day. Mistake number 3 is selling a product that violates Amazon's terms of service. In order to sell on Amazon's platform, you need to abide by all of the rules that they set, or you risk losing your seller privileges. Violating any of Amazon's terms of service is an easy way to put your business in jeopardy, so make sure that you sell a product that you're allowed to sell. The absolute worst thing that could happen is putting in all the time and effort into launching a product just to find out that you're not allowed to sell that anyways. A couple examples of goods that can't be sold on Amazon are things like drug accessories or adult goods. And I remember when I was first starting out, I thought bachelor or bachelorette party accessories would be great, and I was thinking a little bit too raunchy, and that didn't end up working out. So just keep this in mind. It's always better safe than sorry in these cases, especially because you're putting so much money up front to purchase all of your inventory. Mistake number 4 is selling a patented product. When I was launching my very first product, I had a great product idea. I reached out to suppliers, I got samples, and I was doing the whole sample testing process. After a few weeks of testing the samples, it turned out that my product design was already patented, and I couldn't sell that product to begin with. And if you're ever caught selling a patented product on Amazon, the owner of that patent can come after you and shut down your business. So avoid getting that cease and desist letter, and just do as much research up front as you possibly can to avoid problems like that down the road. My favorite way to see if a patent already exists on a product is to use Google Patents. Google Patents is a free online database that shows you all the relevant patents based on a specific search query. If you find a patent that looks very close to your product, but you're not sure if you're actually infringing on that patent, I'd recommend reaching out to a patent lawyer just to stay extra safe. And when doing your Google patent search, always remember to be looking up all combinations of relevant keywords so you can cast a wide net and see all of the different patents that are out there. For example, if you're looking up patents for a back brace trainer, I'd recommend looking up terms like ergonomic trainer, posture brace, back straightener, just to cast that huge net to see all of the relevant patents. Now, before I get into mistake number 5, if you're finding value in this video and you want to learn about more of the common mistakes that new sellers on Amazon are making, click the link in the description down below for a video with more actionable tips and tactics. Mistake number 5 is choosing a product with big existing competition. Before committing to a product idea, always remember to research your competition. Going through all of the effort to launch a product just to find that your competitors have thousands of reviews and are selling at a way cheaper price than you is a really rude awakening that a new seller should never have to experience. When evaluating whether a niche is a good opportunity, always remember to go through each of your competitors and look at 1, their price, and 2, the number of reviews that they have. Do the search for your product's most common keywords to see all of the relevant competitors in your niche. In practice, for a product like a dog food bowl, you're gonna wanna run searches for puppy bowl, doggy bowl, dog saucer, you get the idea. And when you're running these searches, always remember to keep in mind, how are my competitors pricing these products? How many reviews on average are on these listings? If you see a bunch of cheap products with thousands of reviews, you may want to reconsider that niche. It's really difficult as a new seller to compete with these big listings from a standpoint of price and credibility. And put yourself in the shoes of a customer. If you saw a brand new product with very few reviews selling at a higher price, would you actually go for that purchase, or would you buy something that was cheaper with thousands of reviews? So to recap, in this video, we learned how to avoid choosing trendy products, products with too low profit margins, products that violate Amazon's terms of service, products that infringe on patents, and products with extreme competition. And with these tips in mind, you'll be able to move forward with confidence and not have to worry about making some of the same rookie mistakes that a lot of new sellers are making. And what were some of the biggest product research mistakes that you made? I'd love to hear your experience and how you overcame those obstacles in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please smash that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos on Amazon FBA, personal finance, and entrepreneurship. Thanks.